this class, we are going to discuss about experiment. So, the carbon dioxide requires in photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide requires in the photosynthesis. So, we want to prove that with the help of KOH solution. KOH solution is also known as a Mohs half-leaf experiment. Mohs half-leaf experiment. Why? Because it is very important experiment. Very important experiment it is because carbon dioxide plays key role in photosynthesis. Okay, so that's why we are going to perform this experiment. Okay, so next. Okay, so in this experiment we are going to discuss about the importance of carbon dioxide in photosynthesis. So without carbon dioxide you cannot get carbohydrates. Okay, so you must listen carefully this experiment. Aim is to prove that carbon dioxide is essential for photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide is essential for photosynthesis. So by Mohs half-leaf experiment, why we call it as half-leaf experiment? It means half of the leaf can show the result. Okay. So when it is present in the carbon dioxide, half leaf is exposed to the carbon dioxide, and half leaf is in the condition of without the carbon dioxide. Okay, why we are using carbon dioxide here? That is most important. Potassium hydroxide. It means potassium hydroxide are using here. Potassium hydroxide is having the nature to absorb carbon dioxide molecules which is present in the surroundings. Okay. So, manaku why you are using KOH solution here? Because that is the reason. It can absorb the carbon dioxide molecules near by the environment of that KOH solution. So, now, what objects we are using here? One is tripod stand, Bunsen burner, matchbox, beaker, test tube, petri dish, infiller and wide mouth glass jar. So, we used in the starch identification test or iodine test, that operators we can write here. Okay, so మనము అక్కడ రాసినటువంటి ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో ఆ ఆపరేటర్స్ అన్ని కూడా మనం ఇక్కడ రాసుకోవచ్చు. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ మనం కొత్తగా యాడ్ చేసేది ఏంటంటే వైడ్ మౌత్ గ్లాస్ జార్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ వన్ కెమికల్స్. Here we are using chemical potassium hydroxide is also known as a KOH solution. KOH solution. KOH solution. We know the importance of KOH solution and what is the characteristics of it. And next iodine water. లేదంటే మనం బెటడిన్ కూడా వాడచ్చు. Okay, iodine solution. Iodine solution we can use here. So next, methylated spirit or alcohol also we can use as a chemical. So next one, materials. We can take a potted healthy plant. Okay. So next one, procedure. First of all, we are going to discuss. We are going to do the experiment. First of all, we can do one thing, that is the destarchification process. Destarchification process. It means a potted plant is taken and kept in dark condition 1 week. For 1 week, we can keep that potted plant in dark place for 1 week. Why? Because all the stored food material of the leaf will be consumed by the plant body. That's why you are keeping it in under dark condition. This process is known as a destarchification process. Are you understand?
Yes, sir.
So next one. Then a wide mouth transparent bottle is taken. So this is the transparent bottle we want to take here, and we will pour KOH. We can pour some amount of KOH solution, potassium hydroxide solution in that bottle, wide mouth glass jar. Okay. Next one. Potassium hydroxide absorbs the carbon dioxide in the bottle. It means if you pour the potassium hydroxide solution in it, so it can absorb the CO2 molecules present in the environment of that bottle. It means there is a lack of, it means there is no carbon dioxide at all when you pour that KOH solution. Okay, all the carbon dioxide molecules is absorbed by the KOH solution. So that is free of carbon dioxide gas. That environment is free of carbon dioxide gas. There is no carbon dioxide at all. So next one, insert the splitted cork in the mouth of the bottle. So we can take cork and we will cut that cork in the middle of the cork and we can immerse half of the leaf in one side and half of the leaf will be outside of the cork. Okay, so it means half of the leaf will show to the area of KOH solution containing area. So half of the leaf can expose to the carbon dioxide containing area. It means half leaf there is no carbon dioxide at all. So remaining half leaf can expose to the carbon dioxide. So that's important. Next, insert one of the leaf of destarched plant through a split cork. So we know very well. So after splitting the cork, we can immerse the, we can arrange the leaf inside of the cork. Okay, we can arrange that cork into the bottle, mouth of the bottle. So half leaf is exposed to the carbon dioxide and half leaf is without carbon dioxide environment it can expose. So next one, apply wax. Why? Because we are using apply in the mouth of the cork because this cannot allow the extra gases from outer environment to the inner environment of the bottle. Okay, so that's important. It can act as a barrier. Next, leave the plant in sunlight. Now, total apertures, total arrangement will keep in exposed to the sunlight. Okay, and exposed to the carbon dioxide. Okay, this outer environment contains carbon dioxide. Next one, after a few hours, test this leaf and other leaf of this plant for starch. It means we can perform iodine test. Iodine test. So which we used for this KOH experiment. So we can take that leaf and we can go through the iodine test. Okay. After getting that iodine test experiment, we will get this observation. Half of the leaf turns into blue-black color, and remaining half of the leaf cannot show any blue-black color. There is no color. Why? Because we know very well. If you observe the leaf, half of the leaf can show the blue-black color. Blue-black color. And half of the leaf cannot show any color, no color. It means which part of the leaf is exposed to the without carbon dioxide environment that cannot show any color. Remaining part which is exposed to the carbon dioxide environment that can give the blue-black color. That's the observation. It means so without carbon dioxide, plants cannot perform photosynthesis. Are you understand? Yes, so result is we proved that without carbon dioxide, plants cannot perform photosynthesis. Are you understand? Yes, sir. Any doubts? No, sir.